Hello everyone, in this video I will show you all how to create a Google account on an Android phone. Okay, first of all you open the Gmail application on your Android. Then click on this profile photo. If a display like this appears, you slide the cell phone screen down, then click Add another account. Here you select Google. Then click Create Account. Select for myself and click Next. Here you fill in your first and last name, then click Next. Then you fill in the date and year of birth, also fill in the gender, then click Next. Here you can create your Gmail address or choose a recommended Gmail address, then click Next. After that you create a password that you must memorize, and click Next. Then click Yes, I'm in. Click Next. Then click I agree. If a display like this appears, click on your profile photo, then swipe down. Congratulations, your Gmail account has been successfully created on your Android phone.